Hi friends, as you have seen in thumbnail, we will see today how to edit a photo so that it looks from this to this. The colors are enhanced, it looks more sharper. You don't have to download a heavy software or pay for a version. See some online version free tool to do this. Now to start, go to browser, enter ipiccy.com, EPC. I don't know how it is pronounced, but it's ipiccy.com. Click on edit photo, enable flash. If you get this pop-up, click on allow. Now click on photo again. So now you have to load your file into this tool. Just for that, click on open my computer, and I'll click the first version. Now first thing you can do is click on autofix. It does many of the things automatically for you, and then you have all the tools to play with, from exposure, sharpen, vibrance, color, hue, saturation. It depends on what kind of tool you want to use. So let me increase the sharpness a bit and increase clarity and hit on apply. And to increase the color, we have to increase saturation. So now this looks more clean and more colorful. And to save, just click on save my computer. Just change sharpness, clarity and saturation, and we got this picture. We'll play with some other picture and see how other things can be done in another new video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in another video soon. Till then, have a nice time. Bye.